Hello there, in this video I want to show you how to switch between watches on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. And for that, we just need to open this watch application which is installed on the phone, and here go in the My Watch section. And now if we take a close look on the upper part of the screen, we'll see this All Watches option. So just choose it, and now you can see two of my watches. So this is the one which is right here, and this is my other watch. If you want to switch to another watch, you just need to select it and wait till it will be loading until the check mark appears near the selected watch. Great, and now we just switch watches. You can also enable the cool feature auto switch. Just tap on the switcher like that, and now you just need to put on a watch and raise your wrist to automatically connect it to your iPhone. And also, if you want to add another device, you just need to use this add watch feature, and here follow the instructions that will appear on the screen. And that's it for today. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.